Hey everyone, welcome back to Revel Nails YouTube channel. My name is Meg and I'm so happy that you've decided to join us here for yet another video. So every single season for 2021, we'll be doing a little sit down video and we'll walk you guys through some trends that we think are going to be super popular this season. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a great big thumbs up, make sure that you're subscribed, and make sure that you've hit the bell notification so you're not missing any other videos here from Revel Nail HQ. So first things first, obviously if we're talking spring, we need to talk pastels. This year, of course, our spring drop-ins will be returning. They are super popular and they are shades that I love and that I'm constantly dipping into. And listen, if you're a pink person, Debutante, oh my god, it is my favorite pink literally ever. I think I love it more than Erica, which is kind of crazy to say. But so if you're a pink person, definitely make sure to check that out. And of course, every other shade in our spring drop-in is absolutely amazing. If you're new to dip powder, our Passion for Pastels kit may just be the one for you. This is a great way to dip your finger in. And also, of course, stay right on trend and get started with these really awesome pastel colors. Pastels are super easy to work with, which makes them perfect for ombres, marbles, and color blocking. They're gonna give you a really seamless ombre, a really creamy marble, and because they are easier to work with, you're gonna be able to get a cleaner line when you're color blocking with pastels. But the way that we think we're gonna see pastels most prominently this season will be creating a tie-dye effect. But of course, these manis are gonna look so great with a bunch of different decals. You know, I personally love a little bit of an iridescent decal or gold foil. But I think we can all agree that butterflies are having a major comeback moment. And I don't know about you, but personally, I can't commit to wearing butterfly clips in my hair yet. I'm just not ready. And so I think the next best thing is for us all to get some butterfly decals and pop them onto our nails. That is definitely what I will be doing for sure. Similar to pastels, florals, of course, never go out of style for spring. Creating floral designs with dip powder can be a bit challenging, so you can always use our Revel Mates to achieve that look really easily. Any of our Revel Mates colors would be absolutely perfect, and you know what? Whatever color flowers you want to have, that's what we want for you. And as always, any colors that we're using will be linked in the description box. And now you guys have had enough of me talking, and I'm going to pass things over to Maya, who will walk you guys through the rest of our spring trends.
Hey everyone, it's Maya. For those of you who want to push the boundaries and spice up your manicures this season, I'm going to suggest geometric designs and patterns are a great place for you to begin. So looking forward this season, we are definitely anticipating striped polka dots and those little cute squiggly lines across your nails to be on trend. I even did squiggly lines in a multicolor manicure in love. And if you really want to amp up your manicure this season, I would definitely suggest using our Revel Mates lacquer. Our lacquer's consistency is so creamy and smooth, and it really allows you to get that design and that pattern with ease. And as always, my ultimate favorite pro tip is to cap every single design with a layer of D75 Vivian Clear. And everyone, don't forget, you can definitely use our Mirror Chrome collection to help you get those saucy manicures you've been wanting to try. When using Mirror Chrome to help get these geometric designs and patterns, I would definitely suggest applying this over a light or a neutral shade just to really help that Mirror Chrome shade pop. So our fourth trend we're going to forecast for this season is nudes. Nudes are going to be the perfect fit this spring, especially if you want a more subtle manicure, but you want to amp it up with some spring spirit. You can definitely add any of the designs above like we did here using D573 Itzel, and we used our Revel Mates to achieve this spring-worthy nail design. Now, if you haven't shopped our Bear With Me collection, now it's definitely the perfect time. Our brand new Bear With Me collection includes 12 different shades that expand over a couple of different skin tones. This collection is really important to us just because we want to make sure everyone feels included. We want to make sure that you have options depending on what your nude is. In the end, we all need a perfect nude in our life, and with this collection, you should have it. Do you guys want to know a secret? I was actually on this Bear With Me collection expansion, and it really helped us understand a lot more what really goes into making a color, like understanding the different undertones, really understanding that there are multiple skin tones out there. And I was just happy to just make everyone feel included with finding their nude. Something else about me personally, guys, especially for spring, the bubble technique is normally my go-to design. This design is so easy to achieve, everyone. You can use dish soap or soap from your bathroom, and you just mix it in water, and then you use our Tack-Free gel and an LED or UV light, and you will get this beautiful and funky spring design. So everyone, from the swatches I just showed you, comment down below on which design you would like to see as a full tutorial. Before I go, everyone, let me just tell you that we had these trends in mind when creating our spring and summer collection. So make sure you stick around and look to our social for more info on that soon. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we have a new video up, because you know you need them. Bye everyone!